mass media in our society. Mass media means of communication that reach a large number of people with a common message. It has firmly entrenched its roots in our life, and now it is hard to survive. Without in its modern age, it is often said that the world was becoming a global village. It is the media that was shocked the world into the village. Telecommunication, television, radio, and computer have reduced distance and brought countries of the world closer to each other. We live a fascinating world and even more fascinating society. We are part of culture where every morning we wake up to the energized voice of morning news fully as in on the beautiful sunny weather outside. And at the end of the day, exhausted and hungry, we crawl home where our TV, radio, computer are waiting patiently to be at service. In this world, without technology, feel utterly impossible, and life without media is simply an image. When information is communicated to the mass audience by difference, means we term it mass media. Of communication, mass media includes both electronics and printing media. The electronics media includes radio, cinema, television, and films, and resources, and etc. While printing media includes newspaper, books, journal, and magazine. Media in today's words like very coin, has two sides, both positive and negative, and applications as far as society is concerned. One thing that should be kept in this mind is that it depends upon the society to reap positive and negative outcome from media. Media help us to evaluate important burning issues and spread awareness of current events. The society we live in confronted with media affect that the media of society also affects education. In a very big way, the impact of mass media on society can be stated in the following ways. One is, first, media has helped in the diffusion of education to masses by spreading ideas, establish common interests that help to spread enlightened culture. The second is, media plays a significant role in molding public opinion, increasing social awareness, encourage active participation of the individual to realize his duties and obligation, rise his standard of thinking and behavior. The third is, mass media is a powerful means of public education. It has helped in adulterating legitimacy, increasing mass awareness on various social issues, equalizing educational opportunities, and promoting a secular and egalitarian society. And number four is, mass media has improved not only the quality of education, but also caters to the larger section of population. Thus, its contribution is both qualitative as well as quantitative. The fifth is, mass media contributes to the constructive use of our leisure time, which would otherwise have been waste. It helps develop newfound interest and appreciations on the wide variety of subject and also fosters creative abilities. And the last is mass media rather outlook of people with regards to religion and culture as it, and enlightening listeners on information and helping to remove a superstitious taboos and prejudice. And the conclusion, media is becoming intrinsic and important in the life of adults and even in the children. We are required to great deal of information from different forms of media, such as newspaper, film, documentaries, journal, radio, and etc. And media covers a plethora of information that is traceable to all the different corners of the world. Thus, today, no one can be indifferent to the question of mass media and its effects. We need to handle the mass media wisely because depending upon the ways the mass media is used, then can be tools not only for personal enrichment but also national